Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kuble yafi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam takasngi. National President ka National People's Party NPP bat menteri rang ba kejela Conrad ke sangma ulapan pau ya kejing sosi halor kejing ino jong UDR Dr Kharlukhi menteri rang ba Raja Sabha barim. Ya kasang NPP hynrei ula ong ba burom bat upediang ya kara shimet jong uni uno yalam rang ba Conrad ula ong ba UDR Kharlukhi ula bandon ya kala jong kejing Sngewkhia kejing temu bat kejing mut halor kalawe jong kumta ka sengkam done iban ong persya ya kara jong habakan mau ya kejing ya dei kabalas lembat UDR Kharlukhi Conrad ula ong ba une uno yalam ula ya trilang bat ukpa jong upi e sangma bat ula ino ya no senyang shibun na kabenta ka jela bat kisang bat kipat ba ula ya thuru ba UDR Kharlukhi ula kentai ya kejing terwajong pi sangma ban long UMP Raja Sabha hynrei hadin Conrad ula pentikena ba UDR Kharlukhi unyo ya kalat ban mi khmat ya kejela ha parlimen namar udei ubruba adon benta aslem ha ka sengsan perthai ka senchar ka khadar bat kejing shakri jong pai ba habakali weda ya kejing ino jong UDR Kharlukhi kan long kejing du nong ya ke NPP Conrad ula ong bahar kasan perthai ki bru ki la banwan ki la ban lek na ki seng san perthai na kaleng shimiat ngasongsi shibun namar bangam shamla khmi lenti ba kane ka kanjah hynrei nga burom bat nga pedeng ka rajung ong Conrad ulapan pau ba ka NPP kan beteng banya shkhmat banya tre ya ki kam ki badang sateng ula ong ru ba ka seng kan yai ya keren bat kinong yalam ban perkhat weather on lek ya kandu ya the Dr Kharlukhi but kerpat yu ban bishar biang ya kara jong
that he has taken at his own level, and I have nothing to say. We accept and whatever his decision is, and we have worked for a very long time together from my late father's time, and of course we've done many things positively for the state and for the party. And I cherish all those moments and all those things. And there comes, I guess, a time when they also, or rather, he is also having his own mind and maybe some things that he wishes to do. So we have no issues with that. As I said, from the party side, we have always given our respect to our leaders. And even I remember very clearly that my late father was very keen that he should become Rajya Sabha MP. But that time he had rejected that offer, and that's why that time I think Thomas had become the Rajya Sabha MP. But then I ensured that that particular aspect also, so that a person who has been very active in politics and given a lot of his time to governance, to people, I felt that it was important that a person like that should be voicing our concerns at the parliament, and so we went ahead and we appointed, or rather we elected him as the Rajya Sabha MP. But as I said, I guess Dr Kharlukhi has his own concerns, his own points and his own plans, and I wish him all the very best.
The timing.
Do you consider it as a setback, Chief Minister?
Not really, in the sense that people will come and people will go. It's okay. I mean, on a personal note, I am of course very sad that this has happened. I didn't expect this to happen, but I respect it and I accept it. But we will move on, and the party will continue to work. We have a lot of work to be done, and a lot of people have joined the party, and I think that's the nature of politics and party politics.
But will you try to reach out to Dr Kharlukhi to reconsider his decision?
We will see. We'll discuss with the party leaders, and then we will take a call.
The timing, has it anything to do with the violence, with the reason?
That I think he will know better. I don't think I'll be able to answer that question.